Namaste, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're about to spice things up and add a dash of rhythm to your everyday fitness routine. We're diving into the vibrant world of Bollywood Beats Bonanza, an event designed to help you dance your way to fitness. Picture this: pulsating music, energetic dance moves, and a wave of positivity that sweeps across the room, pushing you to move, groove, and break a sweat. That's what our Bollywood Beats Bonanza is all about. It's not just a dance event, it's a celebration of fitness, fun, and the infectious energy that Bollywood dance brings. Whether you're a seasoned dancer or someone who's just starting out on their fitness journey, this event is for you. With its infectious rhythms and dynamic movements, Bollywood dance offers a fun and effective workout for people of all ages and fitness levels. So gear up! It's time to dance your way to fitness. Bollywood dance isn't just about entertainment, it's also a fantastic way to stay fit and healthy. This vibrant dance form, brimming with infectious rhythms and dynamic movements, offers more than just a visual spectacle. It's a full-body workout that can get your heart pumping, muscles working, and spirits soaring. Imagine blending the rhythmic precision of cardio, the muscle-toning benefits of strength training, and the flexibility enhancements of yoga all under one roof. Or should we say, one dance floor? That's what Bollywood dance brings to the table. It targets various muscle groups, improves coordination and balance, and elevates your mood like no other. And the best part? It's such an exciting and enjoyable experience that you don't even feel like you're working out. The music, the atmosphere, the camaraderie, it all adds up to a fitness routine that's anything but routine. So remember, Bollywood dance is a perfect blend of cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises. Plus, it's so much fun that you won't even realize you're working out. Join us at Bollywood Beats Bonanza and experience the joy of dancing while getting fit at the same time. Our event is a vibrant fusion of music, dance, and fitness, designed to get your heart pumping and your body moving. Whether you're a seasoned dancer or a beginner, you're sure to find the rhythm and have a blast. Our participants often share how they love the infectious energy and the camaraderie that comes with dancing together. It's not just about the workout, but also the sense of community and shared joy. One participant shared, "Every session feels like a party. I've made friends, learned some cool dance moves, and best of all, I'm feeling fitter and healthier. The music is infectious, and you can't help but move. It's a workout that doesn't feel like work at all." So why not give it a try? You might just find your new favorite way to stay fit. As one of our regulars put it, "I absolutely loved the Bollywood Beats Bonanza event. It's such a refreshing way to exercise, and the music just makes you want to move. I had a blast and can't wait to come back for more." So what are you waiting for? Mark your calendars and join us for an unforgettable dance fitness experience at Bollywood Beats Bonanza. Dance your way to fitness. Don't just sit there and watch us have all the fun. Get up, put on your dancing shoes, and let's dance our way to health and happiness together. Remember, it's not about perfecting each step, it's about moving your body and having a blast. With every beat, you're not just dancing, you're also working on your fitness goals. So come on, let's groove to the beat of Bollywood and make fitness a celebration. If you've enjoyed this sneak peek into our Bollywood Beats Bonanza, we've got plenty more where that came from. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more exciting updates. Keep an eye on your screens because we've got more rhythm, more dance, and more fun coming your way. See you on the dance floor.